Hey everyone, it's Elias with RV Simple Life. Today we're going to be installing the Maxx Air fan covers. I'm going to show them to you right now. These are the covers right here. I have one right here. The other one is still in the back of the truck right here. I haven't taken it out yet. But I need your help with something because I'm gonna get up here on the roof in a minute. And if you go up here on the roof, if you install these, be careful. If you go up there, you could fall off. Of course, it's dangerous. Just be careful, do it at your own risk. But I have two of them because there are two areas to be able to install them. I have actually 3 fans up there, but only 2 of them are the Maxx fan. One is just kind of a regular fan in the bathroom. So I wasn't sure if I should do it there or not. When I get up there, I'll show you what I'm talking about, but I need your help. All right, I'm up on top of the roof now. Here's my situation. That's a Maxx Air fan. That's a Maxx Air fan. They're only about 4 feet apart, 3.5 feet apart. This is in the kitchen, and I'll show you a video of that in just a minute, what it looks like from underneath. This is in the kitchen. This is in the half bath right next to the kitchen. In between here is the pantry. And I didn't know if it made much sense or not to put 2 Maxx Air fan covers right next to each other, especially going down the road. It doesn't really serve a purpose, I don't think, to be able to put this one on. This one's in the bigger area. You can run that, have this open while you're going down the road because the cover here is going to be on there. But that one really won't serve much purpose because the bathroom door will be closed. Maybe it does. Maybe I'm not thinking of something correctly here. But on the back here of the RV is our rear bathroom, the big bathroom, and this has this fan here, but it's not a Maxx Air fan. It's just kind of more of a basic fan, and I thought if I put one on here, that would make better sense. But then you gotta actually drill into the side here. It's not as prepped as this one here. You see these two. This one has these tabs right here and 2 more on that side. And this one's the same way. 2 tabs here, 2 tabs there. And the way this works is this goes just over the tabs. Now these got all this caulking and sealant over these tabs, but I'm gonna have to cut away on this to be able to put this over the top of this here as well, and on the other side. When they put this in, they just really caulked it really well. So I'm gonna have to cut that away on all 4 on this one and 4 on this one to be able to put those on. But if I do that with my second one, I'm not sure if that's really serving much purpose or not. Maybe it's better to do it back there. And they did give us some hardware. The way this bracket works is you would actually I'd lift this up first, but then you just find a place to mount it like this, and then the other one here, and then 2 on the other side. And then it kind of gives you these slots right here to be able to put pins through to hold on that Maxx Air fan cover. So that's how that goes. And so you're not really drilling into the roof, you're just drilling into the side of this right here. But I don't know if that's good to do or not. I mean, I don't know if I would. It's just more work too when this is all set up, kind of to do it. But let me know your thoughts. Let me know your comments about that. I'd appreciate it. And I'll kind of hold off on doing anything back there just to wait to hear what everybody says about it. But let's get this one going. All right, so we're gonna move this out of the way. We're gonna just trim away at these here. Hole right there, that's what you got to open up right there. It looks like that's doing it. Trim away this here. Before you put this all the way on here and complete the install with just putting these pins through this way, you want to put this cover here on the back side of it, And if you have a filter, you can buy filters for these also that you can put it on the back side right here, and then put it in, install this like that. So it just has a couple clips at the bottom, and then these clips at the top, 1, 2, and then 3 right here. Clip up on top, and then it's ready to go. So we're gonna get this put in real quick. Shouldn't take but a minute. That's all installed. It took about 5, 6, 7 minutes, mostly because I had to cut out the caulking around those nubs that are coming out of the roof, and but it came up pretty good. And I put the louver in there as well. You can buy a filter to put in there, and of course you'd want to put that in before you put the louver in, because there are some reports that, you know, bugs get in there and things like that. But if you put in a filter on the inside of that louver, then it keeps the bugs out for the most part. But that one's done. It only took, like I said, 5 to 7 minutes install. Now we're over here, and my question is about installing this one. I have to mount these, like I said, up here, but I'm not sure. Or maybe I could buy a third one and do all 3 of them, you know, either way. Just kind of a pro tip too. I noticed I did this earlier. I had my knife out after I cut them out back there at the last fan cover. I left my knife open like that. And when you're done using your knife up here, you need to just close it up, because it can hit this membrane here, your roof, and you can get just a small cut, and all of a sudden it turns into some bad problems. But anyway, let me know your thoughts. All right, everybody, we're inside now. This is the kitchen area, obviously, and that's the one I just put on. You just saw me install up there. The vent is open all the way, so no problem with clearance at all. But the other one, as I mentioned, is just a few feet away, right here in the bathroom. But my concern was that as we're going down the road, and we're driving down the road, this slide is in, so that door is going to be closed. And so if I had that vent cover up above that fan, I don't see what good it's really going to do. I'm not sure. Maybe it will. Maybe it is helpful. I don't know. But just because it's so close, I wasn't sure if I should put another one there or not. Let me know in the comments what you would do. I'll take it real quick to the bathroom here. And this is the one in the very, very back of the RV. My gut feeling is to put one up here, because there's one on the back part of the RV, there's one in the center part of the RV. And I think that the flow would go better, but let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you would do.